Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Honda Pilot Touring. This one's silver. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6. This one has 18-inch wheels, running boards. This one has a black interior with a sunroof, rear seat entertainment, a fold down third row seating. Coming around back here, we've got our trailer hitch, Honda Pilot Touring 4-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, fresh clean floor mats, fold down rear seats for the second and third row, headphones for our rear seat entertainment. Coming around side here, here's a better view of the rear seat entertainment right here. We've got our climate controls in the rear. Coming up front here, we've got our memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Got a rear view backup camera. Got navigation. Our radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders. This vehicle has all service records and Carfax. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.